I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. Good morning. Well, I'm not tracking, but I took all the creamers that I had to work. So this is just unsweetened almond milk, and then my coffee, and the skinny syrups. I do have that in there because they didn't impact my calories, so I'm sipping on that. Mom and I have an eye doctor appointment in St. Louis, and Mom has so kindly has been kind enough the past couple of years to drive me. Because, you know, if you go and you get your eyes dilated, the problem is driving 2 hours back is not so easy. And she and I usually stop and eat on the way back. My appointment's at 1, so we usually stop and have like a lupper. So I'm having my brunch, and when I say I eat like a, 18-year-old, these are 3 of those chicken and apple brats. They're 160 calories. It's 3 of them, and they're cold. I don't care. I just want them cold. So I got a fork. And that's what I'm eating. Y'all know I'm not the most couth person in the world, but it's all right. It's how I like it. I like them cold. So I'm going to eat on those. And then it's 8:40. So I'm going to have my Alexa tell Ziggy, set an alarm for 10 a.m.
Alarm set for 10 a.m.
So in an hour and 20 minutes, because it's 8:40 something, 41. I'll doodle on over to my mama's house, and then we'll head out. We're heading out at 11. Meantime, last night I decided to play my favorite game, one of my favorite video games. So this morning, I'm like, I got to do something. Now Baxter don't like it. Oh, we had rains. Pow, 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 pow. Lightning and thunder and rain, heavy. So I went ahead and drugged up Callie. And anyway, so now I'm just going to hang out for the next hour and 20 some odd minutes. And then I'll go see my mom. Don't worry, I'll show you when we're there. But yeah, I go to a special eye doctor because I had a nodule removed from my eye. And so it's just my yearly checkup to see how it's doing. So, all right, I'll see you later. Bye. Wait a minute. Look at that. That is the face of a traumatic boy. There's one. Because 1, I got dressed and I'm still in the house. And 2, well, I'm eating. And he wants me to hurry up and eat and leave so he can get a TREAT. But they've already had a whole bunch of them this morning. So anyway, yeah, so he's not a happy camper that I'm still in the house and haven't left and gave him the special treat. So, all right, bye. We are here. Look at those pretty trees. We're on the south side of St. Louis. I mean, on the Jackson Cape side of St. Louis. And we haven't gone all the way into St. Louis, but anyway, so I'm off to see the eye doctor, and I got my buddy. I drove. Yes, you did. I got my buddy with me. All right, see you guys later. We saw this Mexican place right on the other side of that fence. We're thinking maybe. We're at a place called Chevy's. Hang on just a second. So I'm looking at this. Oh, it's fajitas. And so regular fajitas. But then you get a choice of beans a la chara. She said it's got onions and jalapenos, so that'd be pretty spicy. Then they have refried beans or vegetarian black beans. I think I might go with the vegetarian black beans because I know, I feel like a rebel. I'm gonna try the beans a la chara. It's gonna be hot, but I can handle it. Okay, I'll show you when it comes. And yes, you see that? Yes, I am partaking. We are at this place again called Chevy's or Chevy's. So yeah, I'm excited. I forgot to say no rice, so it is what it is. When in Rome, or I guess I should say when in Chevy's, go with what Chevy says. So I got a chicken and steak, fajita. I'm not sure what that is. I'll find out in a minute. They accidentally gave me the regular refried beans, but she's gonna bring me the others. What is that thing?
Oh no.
Huh. Okay, well, I'll taste it and let y'all know. But anyway, so there's the toppings, and I think those tortillas are in here. So, yeah, I'll show you whenever that other beans come. It's a sweet corn stuffing is what that little mound of something is. It's really good. So, anyway, so, okay, well, I'll try to remember to get you them beans and show you. Hang on. That's it, the beans a la charo. We are about 50 miles from Judy's house. Look at it. There's green and brown on this side, and look at those pretty trees. So this is our view on the drive home from St. Louis. Okay, bye. Oh, guys, I didn't get home. It's 5:30. They're not going to make it. Oh, my goodness. Just a minute. Oh, it's 5:30 and they got to go pee-pee and they're starved to death. Oh, my goodness. I'm such an awful mother. Listen, y'all, it's 5:30. I am done eating. I am still full and from eating where we were. So I'm going to let y'all go and hello and goodbye. Have a good night. Bye.